Hi, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll be unboxing SoundPEATS Free2 Classic, share its features and specifications. Alright, let me unbox it. Here are the features. Enduring playtime. 8 hours of playtime for earbuds with a single charge and 30 hours in total with charging case meet the audiovisual needs of the whole day and week. Second, euphonic sound. The 60mm biocompound diaphragm driver accurately captures every sound fluctuation to maintain a high level of the original sound, great bass, and clear tones. Compact design. The super lightweight and compact structure enhances wearing comfort. The ultra-small exquisite design with a total weight of only 1.34 ounce is easy to carry around. Lastly, unique style. Exclusive design coupled with innovative laser engraving leather texture and embellished with a metal element combines classic vintage with practicability. Alright, let's open it. Let's test it. First impression, the laser engraving leather texture gives it a really good classic vintage style. It gets easily detected and paired. The sound is loud and clear and it's comfortable to wear. I highly recommend it. You can check video description for the shop link. Thank you for watching.